So one of the things that I really like and is really helpful to you is called the Google Calendar. And the calendar here, there's two different types of calendars, and we'll talk about those real quickly. But from the classroom where we see all our classes, I can click calendar, and this is a really straightforward calendar for this week, and it's really easy for me to see. Uh, but maybe I only want to see a certain class. So I would do a drop down. Maybe I only see test three, the class that I'm in, and I notice that I have an assignment due for that day. And you'll notice the color too in those. If I went back to health and PE, notice they're green. So again, each class has a color pattern to help us visually see those. And of course, the day that is circled in blue in this case is the day for today. So that being said, I'm going to jump back over to my classes. If I was inside the class, I can click the hamburger tool and I can see calendar from here. And it's the same setup we saw a moment ago. There is a separate calendar, a little more complex. But before I hit that, notice you can jump ahead and back, and you can see those classes. I'm actually going to go into my class, test three, to classwork, and you'll notice Google Calendar. If I click Google Calendar, it opens up this. And it has all my calendars over on the left. And I do want you to be aware that right now, if I unselect certain things, I won't see everything. So right now, the only thing I can see is student user if I go ahead and post something, or I can also see test three. But what if I want to see the middle school gear up? Notice that there is another assignment that is due. So again, these can be good and bad depending on what you want to look at, but they are assigned this way. I myself like this little simple calendar under the hamburger tool here because it's straightforward and easy to visually see. So that'll help keep you a little bit organized. Hopefully this will help. Again, the hamburger tool, or I can click calendar here and I get the same exact thing.